Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be starting by making our own custom UI. So let's start. And in this UI, we'll be exploring a lot in theming. Let's start. We're gonna delete everything. Let's start from scratch. So we're gonna import material dart. We're gonna make our main method. Just put in a constant. We make that my app. Let's return scaffold. Let's return material app. And here we will go for the home property. Now this time we're going to go a little bit different. We're going to make another stateless widget that's going to be called homepage. We're going to just return homepage in here. That's it. We can actually put a constant there. Because we can actually put a constant there. Need that anymore actually. Okay, we can return scaffold. Basically what we are doing is in homepage, basically we are just making another stateless widget through which we are returning scaffold, right? And in here we will specify the app bar, put to be an app bar, right? Let's save. Get it. In material app, we are going to remove that debug. We will remove this. Yep. In app bar, now let's start with some theming. In material app, start with theme data, we should not need that constant now, that turn it on. Let's go app bar theme, right? And for the home we can set the background color to be colors dot default adjacent, elevation to be 0.0. We can specify constant. Let's save that. We get that orange color. That's nice. Okay, now we'll make another theme, but this is going to be called dark theme. Okay, dark theme. In here we're going to set theme data again. But in here, we are going to set brightness to be dark. And I will show you why. Let's save that. Nothing should happen because we need to now set our theme mode. We're going to set that to be theme mode dot dark. This automatically adjusts your values. Brightness dark automatically does some stuff for us, so we don't need to specify everything. But the same thing if we did it light, for example, the light gives you the default Flutter, which I don't want. I want my custom, but dark theme already looks good, right? Let's set that to be light for now so that we can work on the light theme. In the app bar, we're going to set center title to be true, and I'm going to actually move that into our theme data. So where is that? Let's paste this. Save that. We're going to set child title to be a text digit app. And actually we are going to make an ID card app. Okay, let's constant, let's save ID card. Nice. Okay, now if you actually change this in dark, this will automatically adjust, and we don't get this because we need to specify one thing: app bar theme, app bar theme. Okay, now we should not put center title here. Why? Because this is specifically the light theme, and if I try to do that here in the dark theme, brightness will override that. So let's put this directly in the app bar. Now even in dark theme and even in light theme, that's going to be the same. Nice. Okay, we have our app bar ready. Let's start by putting in some content, body. In here, I'm going to return a container. Actually, let's start by returning a column this time, because we will need a column, children. Let's start by changing the scaffold's background color. So to change that, we will come up a little bit in data scaffold background color. Now in the dark theme, now why I'm not doing this directly in the scaffold, because well, the dark theme does that for us automatically. So colors dot gray, and I want a very light one, 400. Save. Yeah. For the children though, let's start by making a container in here. This is going to be our first container inside this. We don't need const anymore, I guess. Say, let's start with text name. Say constant. We don't need that anymore. And this is asking us to not use unnecessary containers, but we will need that, so let's keep this. We get name. Nice. Let's add some padding to this because we do need that. Edge insets dot all about 20. Let's save. Yes. We'll just change the style a little bit for the text. Text style. In here we're gonna set the colors dot, let's see, white won't, because that, let's go blue accent. Right, actually if we go to dark mode now, let's see what happens. This will stay blue. Nice. Actually that's because we directly setting that. And actually let's amber accent. That's going to be a really bright one. On dark theme it does look good, but on the light theme I don't think it will look that great. Let's see, just amber without that. No, so I think the blue accent was deep. Right? Then we're gonna set the font size a little bit. It's gonna be about 24, 20. Okay, that's blue. Actually not blue actually. Let's just see. Let's actually match this. Yes, font weight. We can actually set that to be white again. So the scaffold background color we don't need. We will have to see that. Let's see if, okay, it's still not looking that good, so let's see what else we can do. We can set the thing. Now I do not want the light theme at all. Why? Because this app only uses the light theme, because I don't want the light theme at all. So the first thing I can do is just delete this theme. Okay, we don't need that. We're gonna make this our theme. That's it. Now that's looking better. I'm gonna go amber accent for this so that looks better. 20, we'll change that a little bit. Font weight weight dot w900. It's gonna be a little bit bigger. I think I can go 40 on this. Name 40. How do you make this 700? Yes, name. Okay. Now one thing I want to do is I'll give it 24 padding, a little bit more. We will just cut that, make a row, and yes, you can make rows. That, let's put this shit, paste this in. nothing happens, we can make another one. That's our row. Okay, let's say another text that's going to be coding 1101. Let's start. Save this. We get coding 1101. I'm just gonna copy the style of this. Right there. Coding 1101. Now I'm going to. Okay, so the padding from the top can be a little bit bigger, but the left, right. So let's go there. B left. What did I actually set that to be? 40 top or 45? Right, 40 bottom 45. We get that error. Not set that. We'll set that to be 0. This because this is that text. We'll just copy this padding. We paste this because this, let's wrap this with container. Let's set that padding. That doesn't look because in here we don't want any left padding. No. Let's actually go. Let's just delete all of that. We'll just go all 24. Let's save. Okay. We have our name and let's put in a colon there. 40, 35, 35. Let's close that. Clear this. One. And just above this, we want an avatar, right? Circle avatar. This will take a background image. What does that do? Okay, let's see. What does this take? Image provider, image.network. Why do we image provider? Image. Okay, so let's actually check out circle avatar. So we'll search circle avatar here, background image. Okay, so we use it. Okay, I understood. We're gonna set this to be a network image because this is a provider, right? Let's just search for a proof. Let's just search for a user profile picture. Let's set it to be this. Let's open this image. Let's copy that, paste this, save that. We do get that, but it's really small. So what I need to do is just set the radius a little bit bigger. But we can set it up with a constant. What else can be? Oh, okay. I can just set that circle avatar to be constant. No, because we want to set a radius of 50. Now we will set that to be constant. We don't need that anymore. Save. Yes, this circle avatar will require some padding. Yes. Okay, we have our UI nice and it's looking fine. So we have a name. Let's put in our email now. So we'll just copy this row. Let's copy that. Let's paste this. Let's see. Okay. This is the first one actually. Email. That's going to be coding one at coding1101.com. because we can actually decrease that all the way to 20, and we don't even need that to be that big. Actually, the weight we can decrease, so 20. No, let's keep that back to 35. The weight I'm gonna decrease to be normal. That should look okay. The email actually should be 700, but the text size can be all the way to 20. Never ask. So this to be 15. Yes, so we get that really small. W700. And I think I want is just make this a little bit bigger to 19. We can't. Let's go 16. Okay, yeah, it's still looking fine. And how do we? Okay, that's our email, and I think I should do that here as well. Move this to the center. That's not okay. No, this. Or actually, I think I need to have this container, some padding, edge, since it's top 8. What did I set there? 24. Let's actually set that here too. Edge insets dot 24. Yet actually. Let's actually go 24 and see. Yes, okay. We could increase the font of this a little bit, but then our padding goes, so 15 and 35. Padding goes even lower. No, this time we'll have to go 5. So okay, let's move this back to 30. Yes, okay, that's looking fine. Let's go 19. Padding to be 1. Oh no, okay, we can't do that. Okay, so our email feels fine. Now in between these two rows, we are going to use a divider. It's a very thin line, as you can see, but yeah, let's actually increase the height a little bit. Okay, by 5. Yes, fine. That's so nice. The width, just this, the thickness can be 2. Okay, the color is going to be colors dot not amber, deep order. No, it should be actually grayish, so let's go gray. Okay. We don't need constant anymore. Then colors dot gray, a little bit dark blue gray. Colors dot blue gray. Could actually specify constant again. We have that. Now, yes. Well, actually, I'm going to move this whole thing in the center. So this is going to be the main axis alignment. It's facing that doesn't look good. Just go center. Because I already have some padding. And let's space around between center, and we could specify a little bit more on each of these now. So the divider's height is going to be a little bit more, right? No, we can actually go all to 50 this time. So the divider is gone, a little bit bigger. The circle avatar, the radius I'm going to move all the way till 100. Okay, the padding I'm going to go 16. That's it. So this is the UI. We've made this UI in this video. I hope you like this. If you like this, be sure to watch all my videos, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and I'll see you in the next video, in which I am going to be showing you stateful widgets. Till then.